This warned by Key hates me. Key for use uploads in to get boost up by past my PWG vids. All has fans hates Key for us. Warnings everything. All fans is josieldenoso.germanovamaker.fiags.antonivuempire. Years of years later, Key gets terms you. Thank you for EAS alarms and tornadoes. Keys will be mad in 6:21 p.m. This warned by Key hates me. Key for use uploads in to get boost up by past my PWG vids. All has fans hates Key for us. Warnings everything. All fans is josieldenoso.germanovamaker.fiags.antonivuempire. Years of years later, Key gets terms you. Thank you for EAS alarms and tornadoes. This warned by Key hates me. Key for use uploads in to get boost up by past my PWG vids. All his fans hates Key for us. Warnings everything. All fans is josieldenoso.germanovamaker.fiags.antonivuempire. Years of years later, Key gets terms you. Thank you for EAS alarms and tornadoes.
Eastern Parker County and Central Texas. following urgent message is being transmitted as a formal request of the United States government. This is not a test. A dangerous and unprecedented event has occurred globally due to the wide
BBC One and other channels have been merged to bring you this following emergency announcement due to unforeseen circumstances. We regret to inform you that this will be the very final broadcast. It's vital and beneficial that you listen to this emergency announcement. The following information will be displayed on screen. Just a few moments ago, all major media outlets were notified about a black hole in space. According to NASA and the UK Space Agency, this black hole is seen absorbing planets, debris and more. It's estimated that everything, including Earth, will be pulled inside due to its gravitational pull. Nobody, not even light, can escape a black hole. Once any organism is absorbed, it will be instantly crushed and torn apart. There is no escaping this astronomical event. It's expected that everything in our solar system will be absorbed by the black hole in the next few minutes. There is no need to panic. You'll have less than a second to react to the pull of the black hole, resulting in a quick and painless death. You are now advised to cherish these final moments of your life as the end of the world approaches. We understand the sudden and frightening nature of this situation. However, this broadcast will cover key tips to help you prepare.
Key hits 500k subs is so bad. This insurance company dudes are 1k subs per day. ISO electronic video a boost up by late. EFTV ends in 2028.
Stay tuned to news media outlets for more information on this situation.